Steps to create a documentary about environmental issues and protecting nature. Documentaries have become an essential medium for raising awareness about environmental issues and the need to protect nature. Through storytelling, they can inspire action and encourage people to make positive changes in their lives. If you're interested in creating a documentary about environmental issues, here are some steps to get started. Research and choose a topic. The first step in creating a documentary about environmental issues is to research and choose a topic. It's important to pick a topic that you're passionate about and that will resonate with your target audience. You can start by researching different environmental issues and the impact they're having on the planet. Some popular topics include climate change, deforestation, plastic pollution, and animal conservation. Once you've chosen a topic, it's important to do thorough research to understand the issue and its root causes. Plan your story. Once you've chosen a topic and done your research, it's time to plan your story. A good documentary tells a compelling story that engages the audience and inspires them to take action. Start by creating an outline of your story and identifying the key characters and themes you want to explore. Think about how you want to structure your narrative and what message you want to convey to your audience. Choose your filming locations. Choosing the right filming locations is crucial to the success of your documentary. You'll want to find locations that are visually compelling and that help to tell your story. For example, if you're creating a documentary about deforestation, you might want to film in a forested area to show the impact of logging on the environment. Alternatively, if you're creating a documentary about plastic pollution, you might want to film at a beach or in an ocean to show the impact of plastic waste on marine life. Assemble your crew. Assembling the right crew is critical to the success of your documentary. You'll need a team of professionals who can help you bring your vision to life. Your crew should include a director, camera operators, sound technicians, and editors. You may also want to consider hiring a production manager to help you with logistics and scheduling. Conduct interviews. Interviews are an essential part of any documentary. They help to provide context and insight into the issue you're exploring, and they can also help to humanize the story. When conducting interviews, it's important to choose the right subjects. You'll want to find people who are knowledgeable about the issue and who can speak passionately about it. You may also want to consider interviewing people who have been directly affected by the issue, such as environmental activists or people living in areas impacted by pollution. Film B-roll footage. B-roll footage is the footage that's used to supplement the interviews and help tell the story. It's important to film a variety of B-roll footage to help create a visual story that engages the audience. When filming B-roll footage, it's important to think about composition and lighting. You'll want to find visually compelling shots that help to tell your